Hey, what's up everybody? Mike Lovelace with Lovey's Fat Life, and today back here in the back here we got the bull, the RT700 Rec Tec bull. We got the bull by the horn here, but we are doing some jalapenos stuffed with cream cheese and Mexican cheese with a smoky sausage in the middle, wrapped in bacon. And this is a week before the Super Bowl. We're just prepping for next week, seeing how these things are going to turn out. Hang with us, see how they check out. Like, subscribe to this video if you like it. Have a great day.
All right, so this is the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need some, whatever your favorite rub is. We got Killer Hogs hot rub here. We got some jalapenos. We got some little smoky sausages. We got some Mexican taco cheese. You can use regular cheddar cheese. You need some bacon, and then you also need regular cream cheese. These are the ingredients you'll need to make this. All right, so whenever you're prepping these jalapenos, I always like to wear gloves. Do not rub your eyes. This stuff can also squirt in your eyes, so you may want to wear glasses if you don't wear glasses. But you want to open these things up, and then, I don't know the technical name for it. I call it a baller, but my wife uses it to ball out cantaloupe and watermelon. That's what we'll use to scrape out the insides of these jalapenos. But you want to make sure you get all the seeds out, all the insides out, and then I don't have it in this video. I rinse them off as well to try to get everything out of it. And then we're getting these prepped up to be able to put the mixture on the inside of it. All right, so we're going to speed things up with a little time lapse here now, finishing up these jalapenos, getting all the seeds and all the membrane out of the inside of it. And then we have cream cheese and our Mexican taco cheese, or you can use regular cheddar cheese. You want to leave this cream cheese out room temperature. If not, what I did is I stuck it in this bowl and put it on the microwave for about 30 seconds to soften it up, and then mix a cup. This is 2 cups in this bag, but you can mix a cup of Mexican taco cheese in here, and then just mix it up really well. Just take a spoon or a fork, whatever you want to use, or mixer, mix it up really well. Again, you can use regular cheddar cheese if you want to as well. And then we turn around and spoon this into each of the jalapenos. So again, I've seen some people take these and they put the 2 jalapenos back together and and then wrap it in bacon. These, we're not going to do that. We're going to fill these things up, and then we're going to top it off with some of these smokies. All right, so now we're taking these beef little smokies and we're going to put them in the center of these of the cream cheese mixture on top, and we're going to speed this up, to show us doing it all, and then we're going to try and wrap these things in bacon. All right, so now we're going to take our bacon and wrap it around each one of these. And I'll be honest with you, this bacon we got it at Sam's Club. It's like 3-pack. I wasn't too thrilled with this bacon. This first piece looks pretty, but you want thin bacon. You don't want thick cut, so that it crisps up really, a lot easier than thick cut bacon does. But this bacon right here, we had a hard time with it. Just wanting to pull apart as I pulled it from the pack. So get you some good bacon. Don't get the cheapest bacon. And then you don't really want to get thick cut. You want to get thin cut so that it crisps up real well. Here you can see we got them all. They kind of look jacked up. You can also take toothpicks and stick it through them as well. I just tucked them underneath, and as we put them on here, they'll get taut and it'll be okay. We did preheat this to 180 while we were finishing these up. If you have a pellet grill, you put it on the lowest setting to extreme smoke, and we're going to smoke these for 30 minutes on extreme smoke. If you have a offset or a kamado grill, or even a regular gas grill, you don't need to put it down on a lower setting. You'll get enough smoke on it. But these had hickory and cherry pellets, and it added a really nice smoke taste to these jalapenos.
All right, set for 30 minutes. These are extra sausages here to throw on. All right, we're going to check these out. Oh, yeah.
Hey, so just recap, after 180 for 30 minutes, we turn around and bump the temp up to 350 for another 30-35 minutes, and that's what crisp up this bacon around these jalapenos. So we take these things off and take them inside, and aren't they absolutely beautiful? That bacon is nice and crisp. They got a good smoke smell and taste to them. We're getting ready to cut one of these bad boys up and just try them out for ourselves, but another little tip, they turned out great.
All right, so we're going to cut this thing up. We got that little...
Wow, that looks delicious.
We got the jalapeno, the sausage, the cream cheese with Mexican cheese, and then the sprinkled Killer Hogs hot barbecue rub. All right, so now we got this jalapeno wrapped in bacon with a sausage in the middle, cream cheese and Mexican cheese, and we're going to try this thing out. It might be a mess here, but we're going to try it out. It smells great. Woo, I make you smack your mama. That's some good stuff. Excellent. Actually, it takes that hickory, or you can use cherry, whatever you want to, on that bacon. It's nice and crisp. Then that cheese and jalapeno in the middle, and then also that smoky sausage. Got to try these out for the Super Bowl. Thank you guys, like and subscribe.
Hey, Lovey's Fat Life, food and travel. We got smoking meat videos, restaurant reviews, and then we love to travel. Here's a couple of playlists for you to check out on some of our other videos. Thank you guys and have a blessed day.